Ugh. Damn, my ice man. Alright, fuck it. I gotta get straight into it. Alright, so I'm gonna start over. Here we go. Welcome to Rob's Face Care Salon. Okay, so today's guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take care of your skin properly, do everything right. Okay, so and right now today I'm gonna show you guys the ice water method. It helps clear up your bumps, your skin, everything. It just replenishes everything. You're gonna love it. It works 100% guarantee offer. If you don't want 30-day notice, return it back, please do. Okay, so what you want to do is, see, she gave me these booty ass ice cubes, so you know this shit ain't gonna work. So what you want to do is get a piece of ice, put it right here, just like that, just like that. Okay, keep it right there. Then get another piece of ice cube, put it right here. Oh shit, this shit melts. See, it's melting already. It wasn't even froze. So good thing I got more than 2 ice cubes. Okay. So what you want to do is just hold them, and then let them go. Okay. Them done. Okay. Whew, I can't. Whew, that ice is messing with my skin. I don't know what it's doing. It's doing something. If I feel it though, you can feel it like instant. You can feel it. I promise you can feel it. Okay, so what you want to do is get 2 more ice cubes. Then once you get 2 more, put it, oh shit, my ice. Put them right here. Oh shit, my ice, they slide. You want to put it, shit. Put it right here. And then put another one right here. I promise you, it worked instant. Okay. After you done kept it on for that long, you give it some minutes to breathe. You blow on the ice a little bit to get it more. You blow on the ice, okay? Okay, step 5. So once you're done with that, what you want to do is get you some tissue. Get you some tissues. Place them right there. You know, just place them like however you want it to lay on your face. Place them. Oh my God, shit. Fuck, I don't got the right materials. It's okay. Put them right here. Damn, fuck. Put them right here. Shit down my mouth, I'm sorry. Oh shit, my bad. Put them, damn it. Hold on. Stick it right here. Oh my God, it's not sticking. My God. So stick it right here. I guess we just going to do the top layer and then the bottom layer. I'm sorry, y'all, because this shit ain't working right. Fuck it. Damn, fucking layers. Hold on, y'all. Oh, fucking God, this shit I'm supposed to be going like this in my TV show. Okay. So you want to just leave it there for like 15 seconds. So let's count, y'all. Everybody count down from 15 and then, like, comment 15, count all the way down to 0, okay? So we gonna start. Come on, y'all. Go ahead and start. And I'm gonna remove it. Y'all gotta count down from 15 to 0. So come on, y'all, count. Shit, come on, y'all, count, damn it. Before my the things fall. Dang. Come on, y'all, count. Oh my gosh, y'all gonna count? I don't even see you commenting the counts. Fuck it, I'm gonna just have to count, because y'all not helping me. Oh my God, it's falling. Okay, so 15, there we go. 15, 14, 13. Come on, y'all, 15, 14. Come on, count, keep counting, y'all. All the way to 0. Gotta take it off. Oh my God, my ice cube's melting. Oh shit, the bump's not gonna go away. Motherfucker said 24, can you count, motherfucker? Goddamn. Oh shit. Hold on, I need to get a new layer. Okay. 12. Come on, y'all. We almost there. Just a little bit more. 10. Come on, y'all. The fuck are you? If you're going down, can you go back up? Come on, y'all. Okay, fuck it. She said 1. I don't care. So the layer fell off. You want to put the ice back on this. And then this time, for it can get from the inside of your skin, go through, put that right there. Keep that right there. Damn, this shit cold. Yeah, switch sides. Keep switching sides. Oh shit, ice. Switch the side, y'all. Switch to this job. Naya! I got one more ice cube. See how my skin look? Who is it? What? I don't need you no more. You messed up you messed it up. You broke the wrong ice cubes. You messed No. I don't need none. Cause you messed me up. Dang. Okay, we just gotta work with what we got, y'all. So what you wanna do is keep scrubbing it. No, that's the only ice we got. Once you start seeing the ice, the water drip, once it drip, you hear me? What is it?
I got some.
You got some ice?
Yeah.
You better not be bullshit.
This ain't nothing, Scott.
Alright, thank you. Alright, we got the right ice, y'all. It's gonna work this time. Yeah, we got the big boys. Come on. Alright, we got the ice out. It's gonna work now. Okay. Now that you had applied the ice, the water, and you see that it's now a part of your skin and it's moisturized, it's getting deep within your pores. That's why you see that it's dripping off of me. And if you look closely, you can see that the bump is starting to go away. So now that you see that the bump is going away now, second you'll like to do. You already know. Get the layers. You gotta make sure that it sticks. It sticks and it stays. Everybody go share this live because people out here, you have motherfuckers with cockroaches on their face. Like, you don't know what that is nowadays. Hold on. I got some water on the screen. Okay. So what you want to do is get the layers. Gotta get the layers, y'all. Once you got the layers on. Gotta hold the layers. And then, once you want to get another ice cube, hold it. Just hold it. Just hold it. Y'all share this because y'all grandmama might need this. Your auntie, nephew, niece, cousin, uncle, auntie. You feel me? You heard me? No, I'm talking about like that. You feel me? Put that right there. And then what you want to do is get another ice cube. Put it right here. On the layer. And just hold it. I'm telling y'all, it worked 100%, man. I found this out yesterday, man. Found this out, man. This shit actually worked. I know people be saying using ice for knots and shit, but y'all never know. It get away bumps too. I found this out yesterday. And y'all laughing. What y'all laughing for? Y'all need to be sharing this motherfucker to let Jesus see this mother. You feel me? He gonna get it on his news feed too in heaven. So just hold it right here. Okay, it's done. Ooh, you see that skin? Boy, y'all just don't know. Hold on. Throw that right there. So then what you want to do is, you want to put my towel in. Get my towel. So once I wipe off all of the water, you'll start seeing it purified. Everything will just be purified, baby. Pure. Who is it? Don't touch the dough. Don't do that. So you're just going to see it just pop. Your skin going to pop. Everybody going to love you. Everybody will. So don't nobody, please don't nobody copy me, please. Because I don't want to say that somebody, even though, don't use this towel. Don't use this towel. Do not use this towel. Use the white towel. White towel purifies you. Everything. And also, for all you dark skins that want to be light skinned, I got y'all too. And for the light skins that want to be caramel, I got you too. And for the caramels that want to be dark skinned, I got you. I got you. Hold on, so just pat it. Now look at this, y'all. Let me show y'all something. Voila. See, you model status now. You model status. Can't no bitch fuck with you. See, it's gonna go away by tomorrow. Trust me, it's gonna be gone by tomorrow. Cause the method, you do this overnight, you got you. You gonna take every bitch man, you feel me? Every bitch man. Everybody gonna want you, cause Rob's, you feel me? Robert, they helped everybody, I say it today. So everybody that say that they want a man and they've been looking for a boyfriend, they tired of being single, guess what? You do Rob's method, you baddest bitch on the planet. Model status. Bitch ain't gonna be able to fuck with you. You gonna be able to walk past and pop your collar. Bitch ain't gonna fuck with you. You heard me? Bitch ain't gonna fuck with you.